Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rupinder Kaur, your Image and Soft Skills trainer. Hope you all are keeping well. Today I'm going to discuss about the part 2 interview skills. Remember in the last video I discussed about some interview skills tips wherein you have to do a SWOT analysis and ensure your preparation for the interview. This time I'm going to give you some details, some next details wherein you can prepare yourself and ensure that you prepare well, appear well and get the job done. So to start with, after when you did your SWOT analysis, then you have to ensure that you prepare well and study about the organization you're visiting for. Read about them, know about them, online search about them, so that once you'll go for the interview, you know the product well, the company well, the organization well, and you can crack the interview properly. Then is the part of punctuality. You have to be on time. On time is really important. First impression is your timings. Ensure that you're there 10 minutes prior to that interview time. For example, it is 10 o'clock, 9:50 you have to be there so that you can sit, you can calm, you can be confident once you'll be going and presenting yourself inside. Then ensure that whatever you're going to talk, think, then speak. Until unless you don't understand what they're talking or they are questioning about, don't answer wrong answer. Okay? Then at the same time, be calm, be positive, be confident. Whatever you're answering, be calm. And then listening, very important part. When they'll question you, maybe at the time of a one-to-one round or a group discussion round, active listening is a very important part. Listen what they're talking about, what they're discussing about. Only say something when you really know what you're answering. Do not create a bad impression. Okay, so listening skills. And no arrogance. Ensure that you're confident, but no overconfidence that I'm definitely going to get the job. No. Ensure that you're calm and little confident, no arrogance at all. Okay, and show the gratitude that you're really good, you're really happy to join, come there. It should not exceed in a manner, it should be on a normal pace. So these were important points which you really need to follow. Ensure that you follow all these steps and I'm sure you'll be able to crack the interview. So that was all for the day. Hope you're going to get the dream job for you. All the very best. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.